Good morning, everyone. My name is Leander Giftum Kungo, ST number ST10474154, and today I'll be presenting my web application, which I named Lungisa Ease, but it goes by Event Ease on the web. So this is a web application that is basically a booking system that books venues and events. I'll be demonstrating implementations that I use from part 2, part 1, and lastly part 3 to complete this web application. The purpose of this app is basically to manage and view bookings and events for any type of events. This platform can create venues, create bookings, and also create events for any current events that are happening. So basically, for part 2, I implemented a full CRUD operations for events, venues, and bookings. Users can create records, edit records, view details, and delete records. This functionality is connected to the SQL Server database using an entity framework core. Let's move on to the events management page. This is my events controller. As you can see from this events controller, the events management system allows users to create events, edit event information, delete events, and view event details. I also added event type support to categorize events such as weddings, conferences, and concerts. As you can see right over here, event types, can choose any event type from these pre-installed features. Let's move on to our next controller, which is our venues controller. So this is our venues controller. The venue management system allows users to create venues, upload or paste venue images, manage venue capacities, edit venue informations. Each venue displays its image, location, as well as its capacity. As you can see right over here, these are different events that I have created, which showcases both the venue, its availability, and lastly its capacity. Let us move on into our bookings controller. This is our bookings controller. Right, this is our bookings controller. So the booking system basically connects the events and the venues through booking dates. Users can create bookings, edit bookings, as well as manage schedules. An important feature that I added to this bookings system is the bookings or double bookings conflict prevention. So basically the system checks if a venue is already booked during a selected date range. If there is a conflict, the booking is rejected and an error alert is displayed. This prevents double bookings and improves scheduling accuracy. For part 3, I have implemented several advanced features to improve the system. Advanced search functionality. I enhanced the search system to support advanced filtering. Users can now filter by event type, venue name, and date range. This improves usability and allows users to quickly find relevant information. Venue availability search. One of the most important features I added was the venue availability search. Users can select a start date, select an end date, and search for available venues. The system automatically checks existing bookings, detects date overlaps, and only displays venues that are available during the selected period. This feature demonstrates advanced business logic and scheduling functionalities. And lastly, we could say I implemented a professional user interface, where I basically redesigned the user interface using Bootstrap and custom CSS. These improvements include a responsive layout, modern cards, navigation improvements, responsive search forms, and styled buttons. This application is now mobile friendly and visually professional. If I could just show you the entire homepage, this is what it looks like. I have also implemented success and error alerts. For example, when a venue is created successfully, when a booking is updated, or when a booking conflict occurs, these alerts improve user experience and provide feedback to users. Image display functionalities. Basically, this system also supports venue image management. Users can upload PDFs or any types of images, and they are automatically displayed on venue cards. This makes the application more visually appealing and user friendly. So basically, this application also uses SQL Server, Entity Framework Crawl, and link queries. The Entity Framework Call was used to manage database relationships, perform CRUD operations, and handle migrations. Link was used for advanced filtering, search functionalities, and venue availability. For the Azure cloud preparation, the system was also prepared for Azure deployment. This application is structured to support the Azure App Service, Azure SQL Database, and Azure Blob Storage. This architecture is cloud ready and scalable. And the challenges that I faced while creating this project was booking overlap logic, advanced filtering, and maintaining system stability while adding new features. To solve these challenges, I used link queries, entity framework relationships, and tested the application continuously after each update. And lastly, in conclusion, the Lungisa Ease application successfully demonstrates CRUD operations, advanced filtering, venue availability logic, booking, conflict prevention, responsive design, and modern ASP.NET Core development practices. The system is functional, scalable, and prepared for cloud deployment using Microsoft Azure. Thank you very much for watching my presentation.